PPP extended, WOMPLY SBA. We're going to talk about Capital Plus, Chime. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. So let's get right into this. I know we talked about the PPP being extended. Exactly what does that mean? It is a little confusing. I'm not going to lie. It is confusing because it's like, well, PPP extended, really what does that mean? Does that mean people can apply for PPP loans, or does that mean people that's in the system? So we're going to hopefully get some type of clarification. It's still up in the air, guys, in reality, as far as what exactly this means, because it does seem like you have people who have been funded or still waiting to get funded, and they're still waiting, and that extension helps them. And then people are also telling me that they have found lenders, I should say, that they have found lenders that help them get extended, if that kind of makes sense. So there's lenders that's been extended. So if you find a lender, I will say feel free to go ahead and try to apply. I don't know any of those lenders, but hopefully when we read some more of this, people actually can help. I know this extension, like I said, it's just confusing, guys. It really is confusing because it makes you think like, okay, is it extending for everybody or is applications extended? What's being extended? So it does look like as of right now, the date is extended to July 30th. You know, we talked about that as well as far as the statements. So far, we know July 30th, but does that mean new applicants or does that mean people that's already in the system? I do want to let you guys know, if you're in the system and got a loan number or any type of application number or anything, you should be in good standings as far as you should be getting looked at within these 30 days. So within these 30 days, by law, they have to give you some type of decision. You know, I don't know if it's going to be a good decision, bad decision. That's all on your personal experience and your personal information, I should say, and what you put in the system. Everybody is different, you know, from the business size to the amount you're funded. So, you really can't, you can really judge, but then you really can't judge because it's like, okay, well, your business is going to be different. This person may get funded for $2,000. This person may get funded for $10,000, $20,000. So it's all different. All documentation is different. What's needed is all different. So my best bet to you guys is just try to remain positive. Let me know in the comment section exactly where you guys stand. Will this extension help you guys? If you guys maybe try to do a Google search and try to find a lender who's accepting PPP loans as of right now. But if not, we're going to talk about a little bit of this extension, you know, because there should be some ways if you're already in the system. Now, WOMPLY began to say, so they extended to July 30th. Does that mean the people who have PPP ended on their second draw, will they be able to now be funded? Now, let me know in the comment section if you've been funded with your first draw or are you still waiting on your first draw. I know there's tons of people who have been waiting on that as well. Somebody began to say everyone is saying no, it's for people who've been approved only. I don't know, it is so confusing, and it is confusing, you know, because maybe I just think it got more public, you know what I mean? It should have just been something for the systems, and they should came out with a statement stating, well, if you're in the system, they have 30 days, you know, your lender has 30 days to approve you. But it's basically what I'm thinking of. Is basically stating that they're running behind and they need 30 more days to get everybody's application who have already been submitted. Now, I could be wrong because, like I said, some people have stated that they've Googled lenders who are still accepting those PPP loans. So if that is the case, maybe you guys can do a Google search and see exactly what is going on and if there is more lenders. You know, somebody else began to say, no, only people who got approved yet because lenders haven't funded / processed all approved applications yet. You know, that makes more sense. That really makes more sense. As I said, it does make more sense that they're running slow. And that's maybe their way of not saying that. It's just them saying, well, okay, well, we're going to give these people 30 more days if you're not in the system, just to give you guys, or if you're in the system, give us 30 more days because we're running behind. You know, I'd rather have them say that than be all this confusion, because it definitely is confusing. Somebody began to say you will probably get a review, meaning looked at by SBA, which could mean funding, and that's their opinion. So that's a good thing as well, and that's just really what it comes down to. Like, it's more hopes of you getting funded if you're in the system, because now they have 30 more days. You know, some people were ended, some people's first draw was ended, second draw was ended based on that PPP extension not being in place. But now that it's in place, it doesn't like they're reopening or got time to visit some of those cases. If you can squeeze your way in there, of course, feel free to do that. Squeeze your way in there and try to get your application funded. You know, a lot of people were talking about another extension. You know, I haven't heard anything, but I wouldn't be surprised if they tried or if they needed an extra extension. I would not be surprised, just based on the fact of, you know, they're behind right now. You know, you guys got to think they're dealing with hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of different applications, different businesses, different funds, and stuff like that. Now, it all should be funded through the government, but we all know how the government works, right? The government can be slow and behind on things. You know, when we talk about stimulus checks, you know, we talked about that. We talked about a lot of different things where, okay, funds could be, for the most part, behind and not, or the government could be behind on things and not up to part with a lot of things, you know. As I always say, feel free to drop those comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. I know, like I said, tons of people are still waiting. Tons of people got funded. Just let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. WOMPLY PPP updates. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I am still doing the giveaway. If you guys want to be entered in the giveaway, all you guys gotta do is like and subscribe. That's the easiest way. Drop a comment, let me know you guys want to be entered, and I will enter you in the giveaway. All right, guys, so let's get right into this, because a lot of people is questioning about WOMPLY. They had a few questions about the PPP being delayed, the extension, what exactly is going on. So hopefully I can give you guys some more insight. And this was a member of my channel, and they began to say application second review. Found my lender with no PN. So I've been in the app second review since May 30th. I only signed my original documents and it never showed me my lender. Never had a PN or a loan number. Now when you scroll down to the tabs update application or review application, below it has few documents. There's like an additional 4 pages that did not come with the original documents, which states if I want to contact Harvest Financial Services and some electronic document emails. I'm assuming now I know Harvest is my lender, and I will contact them ASAP for some questions as to why I'm still in review for my first draw. Second draw says PPP ended, so I believe all my application review people still have hope if it hasn't changed. I started 5/25, received OA 5/28, and signed OA 5/29. I still have hope. It's been extended till 7:30. Let us pray. So guys, as he said, and as you guys know, the PPP has been extended. I know a lot of people is questioning and asking me that. You just got to really go out there and find those lenders, and it looks like it was this Harvest. Looks like Harvest is doing that. Now, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. Are you guys waiting on the first draw, second draw? Do you guys believe you guys will get funded? Somebody said, what's Harvest contact information? They said, I Googled it. Can you share it, please? I have the number from their site, but their voicemail keeps saying WOMPLY is in charge of all of this. And this is their email right there. So people